Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Osmo storage case is probably one of the most essential accessories for any Osmo user looking to keep their valuable equipment organized, protected, and ready for action, ensuring that your investment stays in pristine condition whether you're on the go for a professional shoot or simply heading out for a creative session, making it an indispensable tool for safeguarding your gear against the elements and accidental damage. Number 5. Osmo Pizza Company. Educational Game. Great news! Osmo is under new ownership as of 2026, and this educational game includes full access to the app and customer service. Experience the magic of learning as your child interacts with physical pieces and a tablet, bringing their game actions to life. No Wi-Fi is needed for gameplay. They'll learn to run a pizza business by serving customers, handling payments, and understanding profitability. Key concepts include addition, subtraction, and fractions. This game fosters real-world business math, money management, and critical thinking. It also enhances social interaction and problem-solving abilities. Designed for beginner to expert levels, it offers a stress-free learning environment with real-time feedback. It adapts to your child's learning pace. The box includes pizza and topping pieces, money tiles, and a storage solution for all the game components, along with the Pizza Company app. What we like. This game teaches kids real-world business math and money management. If you are looking for a fun way to teach your child about running a business and making change, this is a great choice. It's perfect for aspiring entrepreneurs who love interactive play. What people say. It has the perfect combination of fun and learning, without even realizing he's learning. You can set the mode to only make pizzas, or to make pizzas along with having to give customers change. Then, you can control whether you want to use coins or just dollars, and if you are using coins, which coins you want to be included in the change. It's a fun concept of working out the visual logic of object placement and reading the emotional and vocal cues of the customers, and then working out the math of the money they pay versus the amount of change they are due. There are several levels of difficulty, from whole numbers down to cents. It's fantastic. The visuals are engaging and the rewards keep kids playing. It's really helping them learn math and how to handle money. It can get fast pace, but it has other setting for younger kids. It comes with trays to keep things organized and so it's easy to store. Number 4. Osmo Detective Agency STEM Toy. Embark on an exciting adventure with Osmo Detective Agency. This award-winning game brings learning to life for kids aged 5 to 12. Experience the magic of Osmo where physical game pieces interact with your tablet, making learning incredibly fun and engaging. Explore landmarks worldwide and discover fascinating trivia about geography and culture. It's a journey of discovery right at your fingertips. Sharpen critical thinking, observation, and problem-solving skills as you investigate mysteries. It encourages learning through experimentation in a stress-free way. Unbox a world of adventure with double-sided maps, a special magnifying glass, and the Detective Agency game app. Everything you need to start solving mysteries is included. We're excited to announce that Osmo is under new ownership as of 2026. Enjoy full access to our educational app and dedicated customer service. What we like. Explore the world and solve mysteries with this engaging game. If your child loves geography, history, and solving puzzles, they will be captivated by the global adventures. It's ideal for curious minds eager to learn about different cultures and landmarks. What people say. The modules are educational but are so well done that children don't realize they are using math, logic, organizational skills, creativity, etc. The Detective Agency game is a must-get as it encourages you to think outside the box and search for missing kitten or items. You are constantly exploring. The main aspect of this game is it teaches you more about geography and it does share some fun and interesting facts throughout the game which I like. Number 3. Osmo Coding Starter Kit for iPad. Experience the magic of Osmo, where learning games come alive. Our award-winning system uses physical pieces and your iPad to make playtime interactive and engaging. No Wi-Fi needed for gameplay, just pure fun. Dive into coding with hands-on blocks that control an adventurous character. Learn the fundamentals of programming in a playful and exciting way. Explore the creative side of coding by making your own music. Learn about rhythm, melody, and harmony with over 300 sounds, and share your creations with the world. Challenge yourself and others with coding puzzles that grow with your skill. Work together to unlock new levels and develop critical thinking and problem-solving abilities. This kit builds essential skills like logic, coding fundamentals, and creative problem-solving. It's designed to foster a love for learning through experimentation in a stress-free environment. Inside the box, you'll find everything needed to begin your coding adventure, including tangible coding blocks and 3 engaging game apps. An Osmo base is included, but please note an iPad is required and sold separately. What we like. Introduce your child to the exciting world of coding with hands-on blocks. If you want to foster logical thinking and creativity, this kit is fantastic. It's perfect for kids who enjoy problem solving and are interested in how technology works, including making their own music. What people say. It is quick to put together and my children love playing with it and do not even realize they are coding. The quality of the game is excellent, there is no glitches. This worked great with my kid's 7th generation Fire HD 10. Had no issues installing the app or getting it to read the pieces. Number 2. Osmo Storage Organizer for iPad. Introducing the Osmo Storage Organizer for iPad, the perfect solution for keeping your learning games and accessories tidy and accessible. This large case is designed to hold your Osmo base for iPad and up to 3 games, depending on their size. It neatly stores components like the creative board, markers, number, tangram, words tiles, and coding blocks. Crafted from lightweight yet durable hard EVA material, it offers worry-free protection. It's water-resistant and safeguards your items from drops, dust, and spills. Transforming Osmo into a grab-and-go learning tool has never been easier. Simply zip it up and you're ready to take your educational adventures anywhere. With durable zippers and a comfortable handle, packing and transporting your Osmo system is a breeze. Never miss a piece again with this convenient carrying solution. The interior features 2 pockets, one specifically for the board and another to secure all the game pieces. Everything stays in its place, organized and protected. What we like. Keep your Osmo games and base neatly organized and ready for adventure. If you need a simple, durable solution to store your Osmo system and prevent lost pieces, this case is ideal. Its grab-and-go design makes it perfect for families on the move. What people say. We have our complete Genius Starter Kit and a monster board in it and don't have to fiddle with the original packaging anymore our set came with. This so far fits all the extra accessories I purchased. It fits the base, reading wand, books, etc. and the case is sturdy. This case was perfect to keep all the different games and activities together. We're traveling this weekend and I wasn't planning on taking Osmo because I didn't want to lose anything, but now that we have a case for it, I don't have to worry and we can take it to and from Grandma's house. Number 1. FINPAC Hard Carrying Case for Osmo Games. Introducing the FINPAC Hard Carrying Case, designed to keep all your Osmo games neatly organized. It's the perfect grab-and-go solution for your Osmo base for iPad and various game components. This case is specifically designed to fit your Osmo base for iPad and accommodate up to 3 games. It offers ample space for accessories like the creative board, markers, and game tiles. With a large main compartment and multiple pockets, including a zippered mesh one, it securely holds your games. You can easily store sets like the words game or sticks and rings. Its EVA semi-hard shell exterior and soft lycra lining provides superior protection against accidental drops and impacts. Keep your Osmo games safe from bumps and knocks. Crafted from wear-resistant 1600D high-density polyester, this case is built to last and easy to clean. The smooth dual-way zipper ensures secure and convenient access. Featuring a reinforced handle, this case is perfect for taking your Osmo games anywhere. Enjoy entertainment and travel with ease, knowing your gear is protected. What we like. This case offers superior protection for your Osmo games and accessories. If you prioritize safeguarding your investment and need ample space for multiple games and the base, this is an excellent option. It's designed for frequent travelers who want peace of mind. What people say. This bag is really hard and sturdy, which makes it perfect for kids. The quality is excellent and it holds its shape very well, even with daily use. It protects the items inside and doesn't get damaged easily. We have multiple Osmo games and storage was an issue. We got this and another similar case and everything fits, including the iPad. I like the double zipper of this case and the spot specifically for the Osmo base. I love that all pieces fits into it, it is compact and safe for traveling. Recommended if you purchase any Osmo activity kit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.